Hey guys, watch this. To do this effect, click on the background of the animation you want, then click on Ctrl D. For this, I will set it to 2 seconds. Next, right-click on the image and open it on the Fusion page. Go to the Fusion page, click on your media in one, and then add text by clicking this text icon. Let me just arrange this a little bit. Now click on the text node and then customize it. To do this, I will use the word love, the Lucinda handwriting font, adjust the size, and expand the spacing between the letters using the tracking slider. While the text node is selected, press Shift plus space, look for Mask Paint, and add that node to the project. Click on Mask Paint, then click this brush over here. As you can see, the text disappeared, but do not worry. Go to the Inspector panel, click on the Mask tab, and click on the invert box. What we will do here is to brush the letters out, but before we do that, we need to ensure that the brush size, or this green circle here, is bigger than the stroke of our letters. To do that, go to the brush controls, adjust the softness to 0.1, and then adjust the brush size until the green circle is bigger than the font strokes. Then, go to Stroke Control and Stroke Animation, and in the drop-down, select Right On. We are now ready to trace the letters, so let us do that. Left-click on your mouse and trace. Do not release the left mouse button until you have finished tracing the last letter. Upon completion, numerous keyframes become visible. If we play the clip, the letters are disappearing instead of being written down. To reverse that, we need to click on the invert box again. Let us play it one more time. Now, you can see that not all letters are appearing. To fix this, we have to adjust the animation duration. Let us do that now by clicking on the keyframes over here. Click on Mask Paint and Stroke Paint. The white bars displayed here represent the keyframes. Now, use this slider to decrease the zoom size. Now that we can see all the keyframes, highlight them all, and once they turn yellow, right-click on it and select Time Stretching. Go to the edge and drag that until the entire keyframes are aligned with these other bars. Let us play it again. Now it works perfectly fine. And that is how you create a handwriting effect. Thank you for watching.